Good morning to everyone. Here is the maths online classes for standard 6 chapter. First chapter name is the integer. Now students, at first here see the figure. There are some triangles. At first we shall start it counting. Suppose here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means here are the how many triangles are there? Here is the 5. Now it is the used to count, so it is called the counting number. It is called the counting number because it is used to count anything. Now next is the what is the counting numbers. These counting numbers is used to count, so it is called the counting numbers, and its also name is the natural number. So here it is written what is the natural number, then we can define it. This counting number is called the natural number. Now next things, here see there are some triangles. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many circles are there? There is no circle seen in this figure. Here we have to answer number of triangles is equal to 5, number of circles is nothing. It means nothing is also denoted by a symbol that is called the 0. It's called the 0. I understand all of you must understood that what is the natural numbers and what is the 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing is denoted by a symbol that is called the 0. Now next thing is when we shall start writing the numbers with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and continue it, then what will be its names? What is its name? It is the whole number. Whole numbers means it is the collection of 0 and natural numbers. It is called the whole number. Means whole number is the collection of 0 and natural numbers. Now next things is the operation of whole numbers. Here is operation means 4 things. First is the add, second is the subtract, third is the multiply, and fourth is the divide. Now in the first case, add. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It means when we shall add two whole numbers, that is also the whole numbers. And next example is the 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Means here 6 is also whole numbers, 3 is also whole numbers, and 6 plus 3 is also 9. 9 is also whole numbers. And we can say also that the sum of two natural number is natural number, and sum of two whole numbers is also a whole numbers. Now in the case of subtract, here is the 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Here 9 is the whole number and 4 is the whole numbers, and difference is also 5, that is also whole numbers. It means difference of two whole number is also whole numbers in the first case. And say in the second case, there is also 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Here is also the 10 is also whole numbers, 4 is also whole number, difference is also whole numbers. But if it is written 4 minus 9, then what will be written? And 4 minus 10, then what will be written here? So we shall consider it after some times. Now next step, that is the multiply. Here is the any two whole numbers multiplies, that is the first number whole number is 2 and second whole number is 3, and whose multiply is the 6. Similarly 4 is the also whole numbers, multiply 5 is also whole number, that is also 20. 20 is also whole number. Similarly we shall find out the multiply of two whole numbers is also whole numbers. Now Next is the divide. Suppose here 6 is divided by 2, that is quotient will be 3, remainder will be 0, nothing means 0. Here 20 divided by 4, that is also quotient will be 5, remainder will be 0, nothing means 0. Now is the next. Suppose you borrow rupees 2 from any friend and your parents gave rupees 2, then you return 2 rupees to your friends. Then how much money is left with you? Your answer will be nothing, means 0. It means rupees 2 minus rupees 2 is equal to 0. It means 2 and minus 2 are the opposite, so that is equal to 0. Now similarly 1 minus 1, that is also equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0. 3 minus 3 is also equal to 0. It means we create new numbers, means negative numbers, just like minus 1, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 4, comma, minus 5, and continue it. Then we shall consider it. Minus 1 is the negative of 1, minus 2 is negative of 2, and minus 3 is the negative of 3. Now the collection of minus 5, comma, minus 4, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5, and continue. What will be its head? And when it means what will be the collection of these numbers is called negative of natural numbers and whole number. It is a collection of negative of natural number and whole numbers, and we can also say that it is the negative of natural numbers, 0 and natural numbers. And what is the collections is called? Then its name is the integers. That is your chapter's name. What is the integer? I can understand that all of you must understood that what is the integers. Here now in summary we can say that integer is the collections of negative natural numbers, 0 and positive natural numbers. Now we can find out the 3 types of integers. Here pay attention. Here we can consider there are 3 types of integer. First is the only negative number. Suppose minus 5, comma, minus 4, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1. That is means it is the negative integers. Second is the 0. 0 is only 0, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now third types of the integer is 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5, and etc. And it is denoted by the positive integers. Now I can understood that all of your students must understand that what is the integers, and in the summary we can understand in this video what is the counting numbers, means natural numbers, then what is the 0, and what is the negative of natural numbers. And there are 3 types names. First name is the whole numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Now on the basis of it there are the homeworks given to the students. So we shall identify the numbers and write the answer. It is the whole numbers or natural numbers or integers, either or we can say that it is the whole numbers and natural numbers and integers. Suppose here is the first question, homework. Identify whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers. Suppose here first question is the 3. What is the 3? 3 is the natural number, 3 is also whole numbers, and 3 is the integer. So here we shall write whole numbers, integers, natural numbers. And similarly we have to write the 5. Second question is the 5, third is the 8, fourth is the 9, 5 is the 15, 6 is 18, 7 is the 19, and 8 is the -7, 9 is the -17, 10 is the -12, and 11 is the 0, 12 is the 109, 12 is the 1010 means 1010, and 14 is the question number 14 is 15,325, and last question is the -567. Now all of you students must complete the homeworks on the basis of it and identify. You are able to identify any types of the numbers, means whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers. Thank you. Okay.